Hi, welcome back. Another important project terminology. Number 15, project triple constraint. You can call it as a triple constraint, what exactly it is. Okay. So, the constraint means the possibility which has bottleneck. Okay. The possibility has hindrance. Okay. That means it is because of this, the task can be difficult and the project can be difficult, and the activity which you are taking can be difficult. Okay, you don't believe in me. Let me try to explain. With this, a lot of project managers and a lot of projects got successful, whether it is large or small or medium scale. Okay, so cost, scope, and time. You can see the first letter CST, cost, scope, time. So the financial constraints of the project. For example, so I worked for 11 years. 11 years. In the 11 years, I worked more than 10 projects. In one of my projects, especially in COVID time, I used to handle a couple of systems. I used to resolve 40 defects. I don't say I'm the star performer. People are there for one box, but additionally, I'm taking the burden. Okay. So I'm just doing a lot of hard work. So such a case, there should be a cost constraint for if you see European project, it is completely almost minuses. If you look at Italy market, other markets for projects, I used to handle one European box, one ECC system, SAP, and handling on. So the case, there is a thought arises like, why should we continue this resource? He's having high billing. So client already marginally reduced 60%. That is for project release. So they continued me on a zero budget analysis. That is a different story for a 6 months. And I was there in that project for more than 3.5 years because of my hard work. Okay. So there, why I am telling this example, cost is the question. Cost is the question. You may be good performer in the project. Cost is the question. Certain time in the particular support project. The financial constraint. So, for example, they have given such a requirements. It is last for minimum to minimum 2 years, but they are giving the budget for 6 months. So then you cannot able to continue. That's why cost is calculation of the cost, and it is a constraint. It is always important for company to run before accepting the project after continuing the work. Scope. The tasks that are required to, suppose you have a cost and they are giving money how much you want it, but you have to finish it in a certain deadline. Okay, in the deadline, the scope is huge. The scope is huge, especially for large scale projects. So it runs for 2 years or 3 years. Based on stipulated timelines, they actually fix the work. If it is more work, it is very difficult. The scope is more within short deadlines, it is very difficult. That's why tasks required to fulfill in a project's goal. Like you mean to say that you are going to finish, goal as 5 functional specification, 5 different deviations from standard. But actually, you got a lot of sudden work. For example, pricing. They want 7 to 8 promotions, which is not possible in standard in stipulated timeline. Like the scope, you cannot able to get anywhere. Okay, within a month you're supposed to do before go live. So difficult. You must have a clear definition of the scope. Time, the schedule for the project to reach completion. So all these 3 are interlinked. How it is interlinked? Okay, how it is interlinked? Like this. You can see this in this picture. If you look for quality of the project, your cost and scope and time, all these are interlinked, like this 3-shaped diagram. Okay, so now you understood. CST, cost, scope, time. These are the 3, triple constraint. Triple means 3 constraints for any success of the project and failure of the project. I think you understand this terminology. If you like this video, please like it. It has a lot of things to discuss in this channel. This is my YouTube channel. You can able to subscribe it. And this is my Udemy forum. If you are from SAP SD or any other module, I have a couple of courses. for functional scope. This is for idoc training. This is getting master to write functional specification. So this is my prime course for sales and distribution, 114 hours. Okay. You can try all these courses. If you're looking for SD pricing, these are the two important courses. If you're looking for S4 HANA, if you're from SD, FSCO, any module for that matter, we have to do this course, business partners. So after 2030, it is very difficult to get continue. Better do this course so that you will be comfortable in S4 HANA project. That's what I would like to tell. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. Wishing you all the best. And more importantly, have a great day, Jai Bharat.